Stare at the trains. This is awesome. I don't know. Just the inside of the car here, folks. We're back there. Can't access there. Let's check out this other car here. The train goes for miles. I don't know how long this train really goes. There wasn't a lot of cars the last time I was here. They probably just acquired more of them. That's mostly. Okay, I think I'm done walking through here. Got a Louisville, Nashville car. Now let's climb on this thing here. Wow. And inside of the cab of a diesel engine. Yep. Yeah, the engine's still inside this thing here. Still, if y'all could see. Let's close this. Number 2127. That's the engine's number on this Burlington Northern engine. Oh, and now I know what these cars are. These are Amtrak passenger cars. These are the older ones right here. The baggage car. See, they got a massive long train though now. Entire passenger train. A crane here. Oh, maybe we can climb on this one as well. Maybe, but I don't know. Let's just climb in here just for the hang of it. Oh, wood's falling down. Yep, this is what a cab of this engine looks like. Ooh, the floor here is pretty soft. Still got its engine in here still. With this old Union Pacific engine. Okay, let's just get off this train just in case. So these are both of these trains right here. So now let's go check out maybe the other trains on the other side of this museum now. Got some freight cars, got a Fruit Express car, a Santa Fe car, and the other engine that we just went in. Yeah, maybe let's just check out this. I noticed there's some rooms that are open back here. PE. Oh yeah, these are definitely the Polar Express passenger cars. Definitely are. And here's the end of the train, right here, where you walk through. Let's take the little shortcut. Just keep walking through the train. Alright guys, we're now back up here in the front. And now, this is new though here, this observation car. And now we're gonna climb into this steam locomotive right here. Got the valve gear, other stuff in here. So anyways, let's climb on this engine number 555. Massive beast. This is an oil burner engine. Definitely was. This definitely was a All these mirrors are like frozen. It's just rusted out mostly. Oh yes. Oh, you can walk in this car. I didn't know it. Let's walk in this caboose real quick. Got a mail car.
Is it? I gotta get it painted up in a minute.
Got a sleeping car. Well, this wasn't open the last time I was here. Yeah, we got a bathroom. More of the sleeping cars. Oh, this is freaky. This almost scared me. These little mannequins. This almost freaked me out for a second. These are all mannequins. Yeah, these are definitely our Amtrak cars. You could definitely see they have the... What's weird is they're painted red on that side, but on this side they're all painted in the Amtrak colors, which is kind of odd though. Like, they should paint the entire thing in the Galveston Railroad Museum's paint scheme. See, you got the switch turn down there. And you see we got some like tank cars, but we already seen that other engine already. And this here's something I was wanting to check out right here. It's the couplers. Can't open them because they're locked in a lock position. Yeah, these are definitely the couplers. I'm thinking maybe... I think you use like those. Well, anyways, let's go check out the other parts here in this museum. I was gonna say, before we go check out the other stuff in this museum, I was also going to do a little review on this engine number 555, and yeah, you can see it is definitely not in the best cosmetic shape, as y'all could see it. But this engine actually still has all of its parts. It's still got its chime whistle. It also has its entire parts, the valve gear, the shafts, and the pistons we all can see there. But it'll be kind of challenging to get this thing running again. It's really in poor shape though, if y'all could see. Okay, y'all, now we're in the other part of this museum now, so we're gonna check out this other parts of it. Oh, yo, look at this. It looks like they were working on it at some point. It looks like they have not finished the layout though here yet, but it's an entire HO scale layout that y'all can see. Got more of it over here. Oh, you can even got the background of the layout. That's cool. Historical signs of trains, all the famous locomotives back then. And here are the models right here. You see, we got a lot. We got N scales, HOs, we got O scale, and all the other random engines. It was the most thing I wish if I can like have like a lot of like HO stuff to kind of like replace my O scale stuff, but I just as I'm trying HO scale again because I didn't really handle with them as much when I was little, so I'm just giving them another try. So yeah, I might get some more HO scale stuff like these here at some point on my layout. So yeah, we got more stuff here. Oh, and this is different here. I remember this used to be an entire train layout that was right here, but I guess it's no longer here, but still. Oh, no way! You even got a Lionel Big Boy. Look at that, look at that thing. But the big boys are really way too expensive to purchase for me. You got more HO, O scale stuff, and almost like everything in here. Oh, I have this engine in this car. You got model cars, RDC bud cars, and everything that you guys got there. You got more HO stuff and a lot of random other stuff. And you got G scale as well. Oh, we got a GG1. That's cool. That's awesome. Got more Battleship Texas stuff. Okay, we're kind of done with the Battleship Texas like stuff here. So let's focus on this other thing outside. Yes, there's another steam train right outside here, folks. Is this thing? Engine number 1. It's a 262 switcher engine. That's what this was. Let's get a closer look at this thing. The Mary and Elizabeth II. It was from the Waco, Beaumont, and Trinity and Sabine RY Railroad or something, but yeah, this engine, you could definitely tell this engine has been here for quite a while, if y'all could see. So anyways, so I got this, let me get this cool shot here. You're playing above me. All right, so let's go check out the other thing that's in here. That's here at this museum. I almost forgot about this, folks. So let's go in here.
We got doctors on the street. I said, well, I woke him up. He dressed and came back there. And when she told him that she had to have a C-section.
That's awesome right there.
I said, "Doctor, what can I do?" I said, "I mean, what you can do? You did have the baby. She can't breath it." So she I petted her all night.
Well, we got 4014 Big Boy.
So we got to Glendale, Arizona.
That's nice.
And that's the truck. And a couple of weeks later, I got a letter. Phone come to call me in for see how little boy and see his bird.
A lot of the people in their own families and in their communities, and so they really stood out in their community. And they were proud of that. They were deeply religious men. They were family men. Their families were incredibly important to them, and that's so they shielded their wives and kids from a lot of these millions of society. More of the children.
Well, this is cool. This little passenger plane. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. Oh, 2929. Yeah, this thing looks like the engine that was just restored though recently. The 2926, which is most likely in New Mexico. Oh, check this L-scale engine out. Yep, ATA and SF, sorry, 3756. That's cool. More engines. Got train plates. And a lot of other random steam locomotives that have been around.
The cabooses had their windows blown out.
This is cool. Well, this is the museum back in 2008, I guess, right here.
And some of the lumber that was stored down for the repair work to the outside of the cars.
1 p.m. up there.
Missouri Pacific caboose, 12131, about the same amount of damage, window damage, flooding. Our GP,
We got an entire railroad line map here. As I'm guessing is the roads of the Sentinel Railroad,
the water level
as y'all can see there.
was halfway up those doors.
Map of the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway. Got a map of the Southern Pacific and Cotton Belt Railroad. Got the Santa Fe Railroad map right here, which is it ran all across the country. So anyways, let's check out the other stuff. Got a steam tractor here, folks, which is kind of cool. Yeah, this definitely is a steam tractor. I know it might sound stupid, but sorry if you hear the bells. This kid's playing bells. That's what it really is. Oh! Yo, look at that! Air show right there. Doing a little air show. That's cool. Here. Okay, that was a cool little air show right there. Yep. So yeah, this is the steam tractor. So let's go check out the other stuff now of this museum. Yo, before I even left, I noticed this, yo. Look at that model right there. Like, wow. Southern Pacific engine. What I can tell, it is a 260 engine. That's what it is. I actually really like the model. It looks like, reminds me of one of those like actual like miniature like steam powered like trains. And over here you got some like whistles right here. So you'll have to let me know in the comments. Y'all can know what kind of whistles these are, because I know there have been whistles on a lot of stuff like steam tractors, mostly steam trains, ships, and all other stuff. So anyways, let's go check out the other stuff now. Okay, so we're back here at the front museum with all the other engines are. You got some like switches, and something I missed earlier was this, the little hand car, a little rail speeder with a little flat car. So I'm gonna show a picture, a few more pictures here, so before we check out the other stuff now. So yeah. Anyways, let's head out now. So anyways, folks, before we leave, I didn't show this on camera, but look what I got from the gift shop, y'all. Got myself this I got myself a passenger car here. So you're probably wondering, how did I get this? Well, this was most likely for sale. They had these like little train cars and locomotives for sale, but I didn't have much money to purchase any locomotive that was in there. So I decided to get this passenger car. It was only just for 20 bucks, not bad. And this should be a new addition to my passenger train for my little 060 switcher. So I hope you guys enjoyed the full museum tour. So I'll see y'all next time.